subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi is all set to launch its upcoming smartphone in China called Mi CC9 Pro, and the company has already started teasing about it on their Weibo account. This Mi CC9 Pro is reported to launch outside China as Mi Note 10. Recently, Xiaomi's latest smartphone was listed on Chinese certification site Tina with the model number M1910F4E, which is said to be Mi CC9 Pro. The listing reveals full design and internal specifications of the upcoming smartphone. According to the leaked image, the Mi CC9 Pro appears to have a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera and has curved edge display. The back of the phone is seen to have penta-lens camera setup, which is aligned vertically at the top left corner, including LED flash. There is no physical fingerprint sensor on the rear panel. That means the upcoming smartphone might support in-display fingerprint scanner. Apart from this, the power button and volume rockers are visible on the right edge of the phone. Talking about the specifications, according to the Tina listing, the Mi CC9 Pro will support a 6.47-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, the phone will be powered by 2.2 GHz octa-core processor, which is expected to be Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset. The smartphone is listed to pack in 3 variants, 8, 6 or 12 GB of RAM and 64, 128 or 256 GB of inbuilt storage. In terms of camera, the Mi CC9 Pro on the rear features penta-lens camera setup that will include one 108 megapixel main camera, and the other 4 camera details were not listed. But according to the latest teaser post, it suggests the phone will have 12 megapixel portrait lens camera plus 20 megapixel wide angle lens camera plus 10x telephoto lens camera and a micro lens camera. For selfies, the smartphone will include 32 megapixel camera at the front. On the software front, the phone is listed to run on Android 9 Pie, and it will be backed by a large 5170 mAh of battery, which we expect could support fast charging. The physical dimensions of the phone are listed as 157.8 by 74.2 by 9.67 millimeters and will weigh around 208 grams. Now talking about the release date, the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro has confirmed to launch in China on November 5th, and the company has also started teasing the launch of Mi Note 10 outside China. So as of now, that's all we know about the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.